You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this type of coffee drink, originally from Vienna in Austria, where they obviously speak German. So we need to look at the German pronunciation. Einspanner. So the SP is pronounced like sp, not sp. All right. Einspe. The A umlaut with the double dots there is pronounced e. That's why you have an umlaut. It's not spa. Okay. It's not Einspanner. Einspanner. Einspanner is how it's pronounced in German. Einspanner. If you cannot pronounce German, just say Einspanner. Einspanner. You could say Einspanner. Can you say Einspanner? Let me know in the comments. That's a bit of a mouthful in English, I admit, but yes, now at least you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.